Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a product on WarriorPlus. So right now we are in our WarriorPlus dashboard, and from the vendor section just go to the product section. From here just click on new product. Now you need to enter your product details here, like you need to put your product name, you can upload your product image, then you can select the category for your product, you can select it from the drop down menu. After that you can enter the keywords for your product. You can enter up to 3 keywords here. Then you can select the content type from the drop down menu. Also you can turn on or off the webinar section. So if your product is being sold via webinar, you can turn it on. Then from the product access section you can upload your product file, so the buyer will receive the file when they purchase, or you can add the access URL of your product. So this is the URL where a buyer can access this product. Then you put here the admin access info of your product, so the WarriorPlus team can make sure your product meets the marketplace standards. After that, from the licensing section you can select the type of license that your product is for personal use or extended. Then from the refund policy terms and conditions section you can put here the refund period of your product. You can put here like 30 days or whatever you want. Then from the terms and condition you can enter the terms and condition of your product. After that, from the support email section you can put the support email here of your product. Then if you have the support desk you can put your support desk URL here. Then you can turn on the sales notification. From the disclosure section you can select the product status, it is available or not. Then you can select the ownership from here. Then you need to check mark here. From the pricing section you have to put the regular price of your product. Then you have to put the sales price of your product. If you want to limit the total number of sales of this product, you can enter the number of quantity that you want to sell. Then from the payment section you can select your PayPal account email here. Also you can connect your Stripe account here. And from the customers field, this is optional, you can collect the additional data from the customer like their phone number, full address and country. After that, from the cancel recurring on purchase option you can select the product to cancel, this is optional. From the affiliate section you can select the commission rate of your affiliates, you can select the percentage. Then you can select the WarriorPlus commission percentage. And if you want your buyers to be subscribed to one or more emails or webinar services, you can connect them from the integrations and tracking section. And after putting all of these details you just need to click on save, and this is how you can create your product, and you will find the product in the product section. Thanks for watching this video.